In this video, I will show you how to make an image transparent in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Word and open the file where you want to make an image transparent. Go to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. Select a shape such as a rectangle and draw it on your document. Next, go to the Shape Style section and select Picture or Texture Fill. Click on File to upload your desired image. Once the image is inserted, adjust the transparency using the transparency slider. As you can see, the image is now transparent. Follow this simple process to make any image transparent in Word. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.